Did you hear? Cat likes tuna more than you.
Shh! Don't ruin his royal reputation.
The cat ate my churro. He was hunger royalty. Churro beef cat.
The cat called me feathery friend.
It's royal sarcasm.
Oh, Lord, my plumage is burning while you laugh. Royalty needs manners.
He kicked sand in my beak.
Royal sand exfoliation! Exfoliation my tail feathers.
But
He hypnotized me with a red dot. I couldn't stop. Look, it's moving. There. Ah!
Bailiff, the witness just jumped down.
Can't help it. Can't get a catch. Oh, mercy. Oh, no.
Judge, you're what?
She fed me expired bird feed. I demand juice.
Oh, for heaven's sake. Check the expiration date.
My tummy is a victim.
Order! That's ridiculous.
The cat said my feathers look like expired confetti.
He has strong opinions.
Your cat needs sensitivity training.
Confetti! I can't take this.
The cat told me I can't fly. That's rude! It's insecure about heights, sweetie.
Damn, the cat is not here.
Why am I on a helipad for this?
I'm swooning! For my stars.
He laughed at my landing technique.
You did bounce, sweetheart.
Bird aviation training is not my job.
Bounce! Oh, I need a replay. I'm old as heck too. Why, you cheeky bird? I'll never in the specs.
Oh, plans overthrown.
This is my rigging.
Oh, is it now? Even royalty knows not to swim with birds.
My rigging.
This drink is mine. Human.
Oh. Royal sips for royalty only.
Share.
choo-choo! All aboard, Granny!
I'm not riding your train, you little scamp.
Choo-choo! Ah, train destruction! Mission complete!
Full party! The bird has taken over the fountain.
Oh, this candy is mine. Only if you want cavities, you little thief.
Criminal sugar activity detected!
Shh! This is too boring. I need adventure.
People are reading.
I am sentenced to literary chaos.
I am electrified royalty now.
You look like a confused disco ball.
Long live the feathery king. Oh, that's priceless. Lou is around. Good heavens!
Did he just bow?
Merciful. Give the bird a medal.
I'm the queen of this house.
Parrot, you're not a
Bow
queen.
before me.
Clatter of doll furniture, dolls falling.
Hey, stop that.
Gas from Granny.
Proud me, peasant.
Spectacles. Tiny click as glasses settle
Oh,
on
you
doll.
little bandit.
Up, up. Floaty toith beware.
The balloons.
Balloon apocalypse achieved.
Ba, ba, ba.
Granny ate my chip. Guilty!
I did no such thing. It was my bag, young bird.
Objection overruled. One sunflower thief. Bailiff!
You put extra ketchup?
Facts! It's a coupon war, little bird.
For your disturbing checkout, please.
No truce unless ketchup count no limit.
Ketchup truce declined. Hey, don't touch my frozen peas.
You dare insult the peas of Granny!
I have this on tape.
Oh, whoa.
That pie is mine.
Step back, Feather Fiend!
Security, we have airborne pastries.
Crumble. Hold on. Big drop ahead. Wait, hang on.
Your move. Horrible.
I'm trying.
Dance of judgment. Catastrophic.
Hey, the rug rocket! He launched me!
He's flying with no wings! Stop! Police! Pull over the rug!
Bird, that's illegal flying!
On fly justice!
Kill it!
This is tacky evidence.
I sentence the cat to clean up duty!
Honey crimeth too sweet.
Witnesses say the parrot called the crab a sand thief.
He stole my snacks! My cat controls these sands.
We're in the ha-ha time!
He was claw deep in my pretzel bag, Your Honor. Oh!
The tide obeys the feline.
Tell him to return the crumbs.
I graduated from Birdvard. I know my rights.
He barely passed bird school.
Birdvard?
It's a prestigious institution. Top 1 perchant of the perch.
He spelled lawsuit with a Z when he applied.
Order in the hat court.
Objection. TCS gripped.
Fifth cat demands we bow. This is tyranny.
My cat is regal. Respect the crown.
Oh, mercy.
Oh, I hit it upside down! Your Honor, please.
Your Honor, he ate the evidence, the cookie.
I was hungry.
Ha ha ha! This is a bakery, not a courtroom. Oh no.
Cookie, mine!
Hey, leave the plate, feathered counsel.
This cat thinks he's the king of lasagna. He is. Respect the pasta prince.
Oh no!
Long live cop diplomacy. Bill!
This feline called me a feather duster. He was being polite. Ha! Court adjourned. Cat are rude.
Ooh, watch the sauce!
I'm a new manager. Sit down, you.
I don't think HR will like that.
HR? I am HR now.
Oh no way.
What?